In this recording, we will review the process for making a referral in Prime Suite. There are several ways to get to the referral management module in Greenway. The first is by going to the registration menu and going to referral management. It is also available on the face sheet if that widget is available or opened by the user, giving a list of recent referrals, and referral management can be entered by clicking on the top corner of the widget. The third way to enter referral management is through a progress note. From the plan section, an outbound referral can be made. The referral process requires several key variables: who it's referred to, the type of referral, subtype, urgency, and the reason for the referral. These are the only required fields. Although type and subtype are not marked as required, your referral will not work if you do not complete these variables. Start by selecting who you want to send a referral to. You can simply type the name of the person you desire to refer to and select them from the list. If you're uncertain who you want to refer to, you may also sort by specialty. To do so, select a specialty, re-enter the search field, and press return. This will provide a list of providers defined as working for gastroenterology. Different sections may have no provider preference listed as a means by which you can refer to a department or a provider's office when you don't know or care specifically which provider you refer to. You may also search for no provider and get a list of multiple agencies that have this feature set up. Once a provider is selected, pick the type of referral, usually either a specialty referral or for testing and screening, as in the case of a colonoscopy. You could ask the specialist to evaluate and treat, or ask specifically for the test desired, and then define an urgency. You must complete a reason, and this is the field where you get to ask your specialist what your question or need is. The last field I will review is optional, and it is this description field. We use the description field to designate specifically documents from the record you may want included. The note from which referrals are generated are automatically sent, but you could add this is an internal field sending messages to medical records for which specific documents you might want. When you click Save, you may get a message asking if you want to send this document electronically. Paper will still be sent, but electronic formulations can also be sent. It's fairly self-explanatory. When done from a note, the document will have a reference to the referral made. And a referral will be listed under the widget. Sometimes it takes a few minutes for this to populate the widget. From referral history, under the widget, you can see a brief list of those which are outgoing and their status. You can also enter in to see the details of a referral. And there's a comment section in which medical records may leave details as to the status. Details regarding trouble making the connections or sending documents may be listed here, or if a patient refused, this would be a place they may document specifics. All referrals will have a cover sheet listing insurance information as well as your specific question. This is followed by a summary view of the patient's problems to include past medical, surgical histories, allergies, medications, etc. And then the documents requested by your referral. Referral management gives our staff the ability to monitor the progress of referrals and hold accountable that referrals actually happen or are marked canceled if a patient defers. Referrals requested by task or other means may be denied by staff requesting that you go to referral history. If you're unable to locate a provider in the list, please contact medical records and care providers can be entered. If you have questions, please refer to your site supervisor or contact medical records.